Ismail is here. Today we're going to learn apply law of sines. This lesson can be found on the pre-calculus subject. Now, what is the law of sine and what's the purpose from the law of sine? We know that the trigonometric ratio can be used for right angle triangle. But how about if the triangle is not right angles? Which means, let's call, we have this triangle, okay? Let's say we have this triangle, okay? We can apply the law of sine for oblique triangles. What's the meaning of oblique triangles? Oblique triangles that any type of triangles doesn't equal 90, doesn't have a right angle degree. Let's say we have this example here, A, and we have here C, and we have here B. So this is an oblique triangle, which means this side and this angle, all of them, they're equal 180. Now, as we can see here, this angle A, the opposite of angle A is this side here, which we give it small a. Okay? And angle B is this one here. Angle B is the opposite side of angle B, which is this side here. We call it small b. Then we have the last one, which is the angle C, which is the opposite side of angle C, is this side here. So this one is a small c. Okay, now we can apply each angle with a big letter and the small, or let's say, and the small letter with the side. So the angle is big letter, the side with small letter. So what is the law of sine? The law of sine means is the ratio between the angle and the side and the other angle to another side. Just an example, to find sine A over small a, and sine B over B, and sine C, big C with a small c. We can use like a ratio to find the angle. Now, let's take this example to understand, apply on this example what we learned about the law of sine. First, here, law of sine, we use it to find the angle and the side. As we can see here, we have this angle, angle C, and what we call this side, we call this side because it's opposite to A, so that means this is a small a. And this one, because it's opposite to B, so 20 here is a small b. And the last one, which is angle C, so the angle C here, it's opposite to this side, so this one is small c. Now, as we can see here, we have three unknown, which is one angle and two sides we need to find. You can start whatever you like by using the ratio. But first, when you start, you have to use one known angle and one side known also. With one side or with another angle, which is unknown. Like this example. First, I need an angle and the side which I know them. As you can see here, B and B is known, so I will use sine, okay, sine of big B over the small b because I know them. Now I need to write one angle or one side that I don't know them, which means to find. Now I know that 35, which is sine A, so sine A is over small a. Now just apply the numbers. Sine B, which is equal 103, over small b, which is equal 20, equal sine A, which is equal 35, sine 35, over small a, which means which side that we need to know. Now, how to find A? Okay, this is A. How we can find A? We can use cross multiplying, which it will be A times sine 30A, A times sine 103 equal 20 times sine 35. Now I need to find what? I need to find A, so I have to divide by sine 103, sine 103 over sine 103. I can cancel this 2 out, it remain A. So A is equal, you can use the calculator, 20 sine 35 over sine 103, close the bracket, so the answer is 11 11.7. So this is the side A. Now, after we found side A, which is equal 11.7, you can now use any of the side and angle, and you know them, to find a side C. We know it's angle C. We can find angle C by, we know the total angle is 180. Now 180 minus 35 minus 103, okay, we can get C. So C is equal, which is equal 42. So this one 42 degree. This is now angle C. Now I can use the sine, the law of sine, okay, to find sine C. Now let's use sine B because it's already known. Sine B over B, sine C, big C with a small c. Now sine big B is equal sine 103 over 20 equal sine C, which is 42, over side C, and that I need to know. Now we use a cross multiplying. Okay, now we cross multiply to find it will be C sine 103 equal 20 times sine 42. Then we divide by sine 103 to find C. Divide by sine 103. Then we use this one. So C is equal, I think it's equal 13.3 or 0.2. Okay, so now this is how we can use the law of sine to find the oblique triangle, or to find the sides and the angle.